Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we can zoom in and zoom out. Of course, we can do this by tapping on these presets, but as you can see, when we tap on each preset, we'll unlock also this slider. And with this slider, we can smoothly zoom in and also smoothly zoom out. Right here we can also find the volume buttons, so when you click on the volume up or volume down, as you can see, we can also smoothly zoom in and zoom out. That's the quality of the zoom, it looks actually really good. We can find also the button, it's located right here, and when you click on this button, you can actually take the photos. So you don't have to use this shutter. But you can also simply click right here to change the brightness level or this temperature. If you want to reset parameters, click right here. You can also turn on the continuous shading, so we can add the shutter delay between 10 to 3 seconds. But also we are able to turn on the burst shot. So right now, as you can see, the phone is taking a lot of photos and we can take over 100 photos in a very short time. So that's pretty cool. And here we've got also the filters. They change the color and the temperature on the photos. That's called the creative look. And if you want to get more parameters of this camera, definitely that's the program mode. It's the Pro mode, where you can adjust almost every parameter. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.